Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on TikTok. So let's get started. Begin by opening your TikTok application. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy option. Then tap on Direct Message, which is under Interactions. Now disable Read Status option. And this is how you can turn off read receipts on TikTok. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.